this is house 1, and there are a lot of stairs to go down. It's cold here. It's really cold here, you guys, but we're looking at the first cabin. Hi! Look at the view of the forest now. What do you think? You're so cute. All right, let's go inside.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes.
1945 is the original build date.
Whoa, this is so cool.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
It's a nice sized room.
Wow, and look at the views too. That's really pretty. Oh, I love that. So we just got out of that cabin and we're on the way to the next one. Thoughts were, I thought it was super cute. I really wanted to like it, but I had like a really off feeling, like I felt very dizzy in there. I do feel a little car sick right now, a little bit nauseous because we're on like super windy roads and I get really nauseous and like car sick. But I don't think that was the same feeling I was having inside the house. I felt like just kind of dizzy and off. And Travis didn't really love it because he said it was kind of like too many things were like new and old, and they had like, well, how do you want to explain it?
It was an old house and there was just a lot of like these random additions and kind of like hacked up things that were like redone, and it was just trying to figure out like what's original, what was redone, and when. Like just nothing matched, nothing flowed. It was just pieced together kind of.
So like when you first walk in, it's like the main living area, and then there's a bathroom, which was a really good sized bathroom, and then you go downstairs and then there's the kitchen, and then you go back upstairs and then upstairs one more time, and that's where like the bedroom is on top. So it was kind of cool and like rustic cabiny, like fun feeling, but I just got an off feeling in there. But I loved like the little touches. They had like little vintage things everywhere, like the vintage stove and the fridge. Like I really loved that. I packed us lunches, so we're eating lunches in the car. We're having sandwiches and some chips.
Very good mom and wife for doing that.
Honey.
Makes me feel like we're a real family, or that I'm a kid again. And mom's making lunch for our adventure.
Well, we're definitely a real family.
Oh, there we go. Then I like that.
It's really beautiful up here, you guys, and it's a gorgeous day. I look crazy. My hair is like all over the place, and it's cold. It's kind of cold up here, but I don't do well with windy roads, and there's a lot of them up here, so just praying I don't get car sick. I mean, I'm already car sick. I'm praying I don't throw up is what I meant to say. All right, here we go, off to the next house, or cabin I should say.
For sale.
So here is the next one. Okay, we're going into the second one.
Duck. What do you think?
Oh, she's not answering.
I love like the vintage little. This is the cutest little thing. Oh my goodness.
Well, at least someone appreciates it.
Oh, I love it. I think it's so cool.
It's been sitting here for a long time.
Well, then maybe that means, I guess I don't know when people do inspections. Has it gone on the market and then like someone tried to buy it and then?
I think it did go pending.
Okay.
And I know it switched realtors and it's been going through a lot.
Okay. It's a little home embroidered pillow. Oh my gosh. So cute.
Yeah, there's no information about the lot, but I'll find out.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, this must be the bathroom? Oh, yes. Oh, there's no light side.
I wonder if they turn the water off too. Yeah. So it's winterized. They turn the water and the power off.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Look at that little cutie little sink. Oh my goodness.
But the last thing I heard was there was some sort of
Foundation
it fell
issue.
out because of yeah.
So,
but that's as far as I heard.
okay. I wonder, I don't know anything about that kind of stuff, so I don't know if it's like an issue or if it costs a lot of money to fix or if it needs to be fixed to like.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know if this house is on, because sometimes houses this small, they'll put them on these jacks. And then they, they settle and they jack it up a little bit every couple of years.
Okay.
So I don't know if that's what's going on underneath or if it's like a actual post and pier under there. But I know that was the problem before.
Oh my gosh, this is so stinking
I was saying it
cute.
was in escrow before,
Uh-huh.
and it fell out. And I heard, from all the other realtors, it was their foundation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, as you know, any kind of conventional financing,
Yeah.
they're gonna.
Noah is probably really car sick right now, and so am I. The Ziploc baggies, I literally feel like I might throw up. Is it scary up there?
A little bit.
Is it? Wait, what's wrong up there?
It's just the stairs are super steep.
Oh, are they? Okay.
Yeah, so just be really careful.
Okay.
And there's no light up there either.
Oh, really?
No. So there's like a little sleeping loft upstairs.
Okay.
But be really careful because the stairs are like
Really steep.
Oh, really, Steve?
I might go up first, and then if you want to take her up. Oh yeah, wow. Ooh, it is like a scary, spooky attic up here. I don't know if I want to go alone. Oh my goodness.
it's not too bad up there. They just need to brighten it up.
Oh
you know?
my gosh.
Like it looks like they tried down here to brighten it up, but I don't know. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
It's like a ladder coming up here. god, this is so creepy.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like there's foundation issues on this one.
Well, as far as like, you know, drones and, you know, like
Right.
it's not as bad as
Yeah, I agree.
at least like that roof looks new.
Right.
Really kind of new. And it's
Yeah.
not sagging or leaning down or anything funky.
Yeah. Yeah, it feels more sturdy, this one for sure.
Feels like climbing in and out of an attic.
Yeah, that part is iffy.
But I mean, this is obviously it's small quarters, but it's open. It's an open floor with this, Shan. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, I know.
So
You could put a little bistro table here or whatever.
I mean, you got, you know, I don't know.
Look at snow. Careful.
Lights back here.
Yeah. A little barbecue. Good little jacuzzi in the corner.
Plus, if this is your side yard, that's cool too.
Oh yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Excuse you, was that a burp? Was that a burp sound?
This deck is good enough for now.
Oh
You
yeah.
know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, if it's just gonna be a getaway
That
rental.
looks like a little, you know, some little storage
I'm
Yeah,
gonna
that's
call
what I
her and
say.
see what that is.
shed thing.
This is cute. You guys, so we're back home from our little cabin tiny house search and it was really fun. We just went up for the day. It's only like a little over 2 hours from where we live now, so it'd be a perfect little getaway for us, and the places were so cute. I love the tiny houses. So originally we were planning on just buying a piece of land and then building a tiny house or buying a tiny house to put on it, but then we realized it's way too expensive to do that because it's like in certain places $30,000 just to bring in like a water meter, and it needs like water and electricity and all kinds of stuff, and it has to be like all up to code, and I just didn't realize how much money it was going to be to do that, and that's not something that we can afford right now. So it would be more reasonable for us and affordable for us to just buy something that's really tiny already and kind of turn that into our tiny house, because those cabins were like, one of them was like 432 square feet, so it's the size of a tiny house. It's just already there and already on a foundation, but they're very old. They're definitely fixer-uppers because that's all we can afford right now. And so I don't know, it's very exciting for me. It's very fun, and it was really fun to go look at them. So I'm curious your thoughts. Which was your favorite out of all of them? Cabin 1, Cabin 2, or Cabin 3? Also, if you are in the California area, or if you ever look for like unique houses or anything like that that's like under 200,000, even better under 150,000, definitely send them my way, because I think it'd be so fun if like one of you guys helped find our little vacation home, like our dream vacation home. We also want to be able to Airbnb it for when we don't use it, so it could be kind of like an investment property for us. That's the only way we could afford doing it, because you know, we already have our mortgage here, and then we have another home so that we have a mortgage on, but that's also a rental property. So we would like to use them as rental properties for investment purposes, and also just as like, it's like just another stream of income, because you know, we have a bunch of little like jobs that I guess you would call us like an entrepreneurs. That was our fun little cabin search, and our realtor was so sweet. She got a little bear for Snow, which I thought was really thoughtful, and she was just a really good realtor. Like, she answered all our questions. If she didn't know something, she would like call and find out right away. She let us know like all the stuff in the area that's really interesting, and she was just a really good realtor, and I'm like really glad that we got her. So we're gonna keep looking. We're gonna get some more information about some of those places, because on some of them, like the foundation was really bad and it had fallen in and out of escrow a few times. So we're getting more information on the cabins. We don't know if we're gonna buy one of those yet. We're gonna get some more information and then make our decision, possibly keep looking. So like I said, it'd be really fun if you guys wanna help us out. Send us like Zillow, I guess like addresses in the comments or something, and we can check them out if you find any cool places that are like between 2 and 4 hours away from LA, because we don't want to go too far, preferably no more than 2 hours. But so we're looking like Lake Arrowhead, Big Bear, you know, kind of like those areas. But if you guys know of any, definitely let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, coming with us house hunting for our tiny house cabin. I don't know what you would call it, a tiny house, tiny cabin house, our tiny cabin. Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and hope to see you in our next video. Mwah.